Hi, I'm Oliver Cowmeadow. I'm the principal of the International Macrobiotic School. We've been running macrobiotic courses in South Devon in England for many years, but we've just moved to some fantastic new premises. We're in the middle of some beautiful countryside. We have the main house with accommodation so people can stay on site for residential courses. We have some great gardens where we're growing food, a polytunnel, and we're right in the middle of building a purpose-built cooking school which is going to have 12 individual workstations so that people can do a lot of hands-on cooking, which just really helps people to learn how to cook healthy food well. We've been running a 3-year training course since 2005. And we've run many first-year courses. We run a first, second, third-year course. Some people come on the first-year course just to experience more about macrobiotics and really deepen their practice and understanding. Other people use the first-year course to go on to the second and third-year course and qualify as a really excellent macrobiotic cook, health counsellor, plus being able to give some shiatsu and medicinal cooking. We've been running these courses a long time in a modular format where people come every 6 weeks for a long weekend. But a lot of people have asked us if we could do a more intensive format, a lot of people from abroad. So starting this autumn, we've got an intensive first year, which is going to be 2 weeks, the first 2 weeks of October 2018, then 2 weeks in February 2019, and just under a week to finish off in June next year. This is going to be a fabulous place to come and stay. We have quite small groups, so the groups are very personal. Everybody gets to know each other well, and we really enjoy giving people a lot of individual help. So if you feel that some intensive study of macrobiotics in a fabulous venue could be for you, please go to our website macroschool.co.uk, click on training courses, click on first year courses, and you'll find a lot more information, and you can also download some further details, quite a lot of details, which is going to tell you all about the course. If you want to talk to us about the course, please get in touch by email or phone us, and we're really happy to talk about it, talk over any questions you have, any problems you've got with coming. We just want people to come. We've had hundreds of people come and do our first year course, and there's going to be hundreds more. If you want to be one of those, then please get in touch. Thank you very much.